Is Windows failing to load because of the Windll.dll Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we begin the manual steps for Windll Library, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Windll Library, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume skinning or file manager utilities to store localized UI hooks for the Windows shell. Because it modifies the system shell, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the third-party UI modification will fail to apply. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Windll is a restricted library bundled with the localized application interface shim engine, and the most reliable recovery method is to run the setup for the host program, giving the error to refresh the internal files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Windll library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Please use caution. Replacing Windll Library DLL manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Windll library dependencies. If Windll Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.